In this course, we're going to show you how to use AI for affiliate marketing. So let's dive in. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what is AI affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing is something where you like a product and you say, I'm going to recommend this product to my friends, family, or even go out and run ads on these products because I really believe in this product. And if you make a sale, then you get a commission. So you're making money by promoting products. That's what affiliate marketing is. And it's been there for a long time. Now, the difference here is now you can use AI tools for your affiliate marketing. And this makes things so much faster and better. Now, it's pretty much revolutionizing the way we do affiliate marketing. Why? Because it's very easy to start. In the past, there's always been an issue where do I start? There's so much to do. How do I create content? All of these things get pretty much solved because of these AI tools that we're going to talk about in this course. Also, it's very data-driven. So no longer do you have to throw things out there and see if it works or not. Because that data is available, you can actually see what works and what doesn't work, and then tailor your campaigns based around that data. So that saves you a lot of time. And like I said, it's very, very fast because of the amount of content you can create, the amount of things you could do. You're no longer staring at a blank screen trying to figure out where to get started, because these AI tools help you to get started super, super fast. Now, what can you do with AI? Well, these AI tools really expedite your results. So you can start creating landing pages, the copy on the landing pages. So you no longer have to worry about, okay, what do I put? What should my headline be? What type of description should I put on, right? What should a button say? Landing page creation, it's very important. You have to, so that you can start capturing you start making up email lists and capturing your customers' information. So AI can help you do that. AI can help you write the content for your landing page. AI can also help you design your ads. So you could do ad copy. You could also do the graphics for the ad. All of these can be done through AI. You could also do email follow-ups. This is the part that gets missed majority of the time when it comes to affiliate marketing. But email follow-ups are very, very important. That's where majority of the sales happen. And I know in the past, even I've done this, where you look at a blank screen and you go, I don't know what email to write, or my emails are so boring. Well, AI fixes that problem because it can give you the emails to send out. And we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to show you exactly what tools to use to create these emails. And last but not least, you can also use AI to reach organic social media traffic so that you could start, putting your products out there, start getting traffic to the landing pages, and use the social media traffic to drive sales. And we're going to cover all of this within this course. So I'm excited to dive in. Let's get started.